Hi, this is Cece of Ellis Family Farms, and it's the first day of summer, and it's a beautiful, cloudy day. Yes, it's not sunny and hot. And sunny and hot is real good if you're going to the lake or floating down the river, but it's not when you're trying to work on a chicken tractor. And that's what Tom and I are going to try to get done today. So, let's get started. He started the screws into the 2x4 and he's making sure it's squared up. And I think we're going to glue it and then put it on together. All right, so we believe we have this wall, part of it finished, the doorway. We've got the bracing here and here, and this is the scrap pieces that we found, so hopefully they'll hold. And got the boards, and it was hard to tell by the diagrams, but Tom thinks we may have gotten part of it backward, but we believe regardless, we got it where it'll work, and that's all that counts. So this is the front wall. So one side wall, one front wall doorway, and another side wall. And now we got, I'm not sure if Tom wants to do the inside door, if he wants to do the back wall. I bet he wants to do the back wall. We will see. The plans don't show it, but because the way the door is obviously smaller than the jamb, we overlapped them. We don't feel like we need the corners like the pictures show, like, and the way we did with the door frame. But so Tom went and cut another scrap, a 1x4, and we're going to just run it across the middle here to make extra protection, because we're going to screen it. And you know how when you open and close doors, there's always, after a while, the screen starts bulging out and stuff. So this is going to be an extra measure to strengthen the middle of the door. All right, Tom has these two sides set up here, and this is why the one is longer than the top one. This will be where the rope attaches for pulling. This is the side we end up doing. And on the same thing on this other side, this one's longer, and this is where we will assemble the wheels to make it easier to pull also. So that's what we're going to do. We're going to start making everything vertical here. I had it backward because the door is on this side. This is the side that the rope is going to be on, and this is the end that has the wheel. But regardless, now we can answer Kenzie's question of why one board is longer than the bottom board is longer than the top one. One of the things I was not able to source was what they call the 90-degree gusset angles. And this is the best I could come up with. And it seems to be the sturdiest one I could find. And so that's what Tom was putting on after he's gotten all these, he's got the three sides put together here. Now they are, got the doorway up, and they're going to attach it to the two sides. Okay, it's taking shape. It's kind of exciting, I think. I think I'm the only one that's excited about it, though. But that's okay. But yeah, it's taking shape. And it's kind of cool. You can see what the dimensions are going to be, how much room you have in here. And I've only got 25 chicks, so they should have plenty of room. And I know people put more. I can't remember how many they put in here. But regardless, they're going to be moved every day. And this is going to be nice. I'm looking forward to it. So we're going to go look at the instructions. Kenzie wants to go back to her friend's house. And so we're going to go look at instructions and see what the next step is. Because honestly, as warm it is outside, we may be moving the chicks out here. I don't know. We'll have to see. All right, Tom is working on the wheels part of it now, with these that are sticking out, and he found some old lawnmower wheels, which is fine with me because I'm tired of buying stuff for this thing. And it wouldn't have been so bad if I could have done it all at one time, but it's been like 2 weeks trying to source all this material because of COVID virus. So he's marking that now and getting it ready to put those axles on it, so that whenever we move the chicken coop, it'll be more easily done. Pretty sweet. Look. So he's got the axles on here. Now what's kind of cool about these is, and I don't know if we have a nut to go on the outside or on the inside here, and we may not need it, because I know even John Suscovich, when he moves his tractors, he only has one set of wheels for all of his chicken tractors. He just moves them from one thing to the next. But that's pretty nice. I think that's going to be, and it does raise it up, but that's what we need when we're moving them. We'll just have to watch for the chicks whenever we're moving them. And once we get to where we want it, we just take the wheels back off and it brings it back down. Pretty sweet. And there's our holes for the rope. One on each end of the front there. Oh, it's coming together nicely. I am so pleased. We've only got a handful of these stables, but we still think that we might be able to at least get a good start at getting the hardware cloth up. We're going to start and try to work our way around the entire perimeter, except of course the door. And we should have enough left over of it to actually do the door too. So that's our plan right now, is to try to get this hardware cloth at least on, if not securely on. Well, that's all we got for one day. We're tired and I gotta start cooking dinner. But we've got a lot done and I feel pretty good about it. It feels nice to see it actually taking shape. There's more to do obviously, but it's coming together. We got enough hardware cloth here that we can actually put it on the screen door and still have stuff left over. But we'll take care of the conduit and then start getting the other parts ready. We need to do the chicken wire and then the tarp, I believe. But there's been a lot done today and I feel pretty good about it.